The next project on the list is behind this door. There was a pantry built in there. I took that out and I installed this door. So here's the plan. I'm digging this out. To about where that tub is, about 2 feet. And then over to these footings, put retaining wall block down, a concrete floor, and a retaining block. And then I'm gonna put all the water heater, the tank for the water from the well, all in this room. Instead of right now it's right here. So I'm gonna take all this equipment out and put it in that room.